Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another box from JcarDiecast. It's got some premium Hot Wheels inventory and some regular Matchbox stuff in there, so we're going to crack this open and go through it for you. Alright. Let's see what is in today's box. Stuff in there. You got to check these papers, make sure you don't have cars wrapped up in them. That one does not. Okay. All right, let's open this bad boy real quick. See what Matchbox goodies are in here. Ah, yes, guys. I've only found one of these in the wild. This sweet 1993 Toyota Celica in red. Very good color, nice casting. I think they only had one of these cars in the Matchbox cases when they came out, so it was hard to find. So we did grab a couple of those. And this says there is Matchboxes in here, so let's crack it and see what it is. Alright guys, looks like some moving parts Matchbox. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's this pack. I forgot that I ordered this. The Excursion, baby. This is my second Excursion, and guess what that means that's in here. Finally, there's going to be the red Ford Lightning. But a couple Excursions to start it off. Wait a minute. Did I buy a whole case of Excursions? I did. That's what it is. I bought all the Ford Excursions that they had, I think. I was getting exciting. I thought I ordered the whole pack, but I guess not. But we're gonna take that Ford Excursions, a whole case of them. I am not complaining on that. It's an awesome casting, and I've already sold the one that I made into a keychain, so definitely a good score there. I don't remember how many I actually bought, guys, so let's see what's in this case. Okay, this looks a little better. This is the case that I thought it was here a minute ago. So, let's see if we pull that one out. Nope. That's the first one. The Rover SD1. I don't even know what kind of car that is or where it comes from. And this ugly Maserati Gran Turismo. Such a horrible color. Why couldn't they do it in a better color? If they did it in a better color, it wouldn't have been that bad, but that color is not good. So we got two not good color Turismos and a car I've never heard of. But this one I do know, and this actually sells well as a keychain. The Ford Focus RS, guys, in a sweet gray color. Really like that one. And the 63 Ford Thunderbird convertible. It's a nice casting with the opening hood and engine bay there. Two of that one. Another Excursion. So we are stocked up on Excursions, but this one, guys, this one is the one that has been eluding me for so long. I've never been able to find one on the pegs. Such an awesome casting. 94 Ford Lightning SVT. This is the first Lightning that was ever produced back in the day. Kind of like the OG Raptor these days. They don't really make Lightnings besides the electric ones these days, but they still make a performance F-150, which is now the Raptor. Let's see what is in this case. Stocking up on these guys. One of my favorite car cultures from last year. Super good car there. These things were $4 a piece, and just don't think they're gonna stick around that long, so I had to pick up another case. This says it's a Subaru Impreza on the case. Let's see if that's true. I don't recall. I think I might have ordered one. I don't remember. No, it is not an Impreza. They just reboxed these bad boys. That is the BMW M5 there. They had a sweet deal on these, like $4 a car, so couldn't pass it up. Had to grab another case of those. And what does it seem to think these are? I know. This is why I did this order to begin with, because I ran out of this car. And they had a full case you could buy of these things for cheaper than in the store. So I know some of these are still left in the stores. This car, the Jurassic Park 92 Jeep Wrangler. Super awesome casting if you guys haven't seen this one. Super cool. Nice paint, cool wheels. But these things were $8 at a Walmart, and got the case for $6 a car. So not the greatest deal, but cheaper than Walmart, so we'll take it. All right, guys. One last box here. Let's see what we picked up in this one. So this was my other Matchbox main lines that I picked up, that they had like $1 a car, and some were 50 cents a car, guys. I think these might have been $2 a car for these Civic Type R's. And that's, I thought I ordered another one of these, so that's the third one of the Celicas. Another Type R. I didn't realize. I didn't know I got 4 Celicas. Not complaining. Maybe it was, yeah, I thought I only got 3, but I'll have to take a look at my order. And this guy, this thing was only 50 cents a car, guys. This new, well, it's not new, but it's new in blue. The 2021 Lexus LC500. We had it in the maroon reddish color before, and it sold fairly well. Sold like 4 or 5 of them. So we'll see how well the blue one does. So how many of those we got? 5 LC500s. So, all right, guys, that's gonna do it for this quick JcarDiecast unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you think of these moving parts ones, if you're a fan of that excursion. And what do you think about the Lightning? It's the first and only one I got. Couldn't find it. Had to buy it online. Those Celicas are pretty sweet. Type R. And we stocked up on that Jurassic Park Jeep. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll have another hunt one coming out next week, and then another unboxing. Have a good one.